Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So, gagamitin natin itong The Mystic Red Rose Oracle Cards. Alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay mensahe ng ating Oracle Cards for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to. Okay? So, this is a timeless reading po. Okay? Reminder lang na ito ay general reading Pisces, so pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? And again, this is a timeless reading, so kahit anong araw, buwan, taon mo ito napanood, basta magtugma po sa sitwasyon niyo po, take lang, okay? So, shuffle muna natin to. And ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari, mga gabay mensahe, for Pisces, the butterfly, evolving and growth, next phase, healing inner child, releasing the past, okay? So, it's like there's a transformation, Pisces. There's something like parang blooming, okay? Light at the end of the tunnel. It's like a beautiful transformation, beautiful change. Para siyang ganun, okay? So, ano pa po? Ang message niyo po. And there is something na dating, okay? Or you are ready to go out there and explore, Pisces, okay? To meet other people or to have fun, to enjoy life again. Para siyang ganun, okay? So, coffee cup, meeting and talking, yes, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building a friendship. Yes, it's like you transform, Pisces, into a better version of yourself, okay? After siguro meron kang mga pinagdaanan dati, recently lang, pero ngayon, nararamdaman mo yung gaan, nararamdaman mo yung parang you are ready. You're ready for something, Pisces. Pwedeng ito ay sa gusto mo nang makamit ng other people, okay? Gusto mo nang you go out there, have fun, you are ready, Pisces, okay? Naka-heal ka na, kumbaga. Okay? You are transformed. You become a butterfly. Parang ganun, okay? Or pwedeng kung sa trabaho man ito, you are ready, you're something like, nagkaroon ka na ng encouragement na simulan ulit. Okay, para siyang ganun. Okay, so, it's a beautiful transformation, Pisces, ang ganda. Ang gaan ng reading natin ngayon. Sa dalawang dito. And nakikita niyo, Pisces, yung coffee bean na nandito is naka-form ng heart. So, it's like, there's a big possibility of coffee date or pwedeng gusto mong, pumunta sa coffee shop, pwede mahilig ka sa kape, Pisces, okay? And you're dealing with someone na doon mo makakausap, okay? Or pwedeng there's something na meeting with your friends sa coffee shop, pwede pong ganun, okay? So, it's like a coping up, meeting in new people, meeting again, talking again, go out, para siyang ganun. Okay, so ano pa po yung mga message niyo po? Ano pa po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces? Actually, madami siya, pero apat lang pala. Okay, and sobrang ganda sa apat na cards na nandito. Okay. So, meron tayo ditong blowing kiss, unconditional love, ayan kasunod niyan. Okay, unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection and return. Ooh, so you are hopeful again to experience or to receive a unconditional love, Pisces. And yung love na ito is like a fair love, okay? Hindi yung one-way street lang siya, hindi siya ganun, okay? This is like a giving and receiving, okay? Give and take, kumbaga. So, there's a big possibility of meeting someone out there na makakaramdam ka yung totoong pagmamahal, yung unconditional love na you deserve, Pisces, okay? And there's a teddy bear interested in you, blooming. As I said kanina, there's something like blooming, okay? Blooming romance, flirting, want to date. Ayan na naman. So, there's a big possibility of going out there, meeting up people or a specific person, and alam mo yun, there's a big possibility of being happy. Okay? So, magiging maganda, magiging magaan. Alam mo, Pisces, habang nagsasalita ako ngayon, nakangiti ako. I don't know why. Okay? So, kung sino mang energy na nandito, I'm so happy for you, Pisces. Kung meron ka mang pinagdaanan dati, you are ready to go out there, okay, to have fun again, and you deserve all this kind of happy energy, Pisces. Okay? And meron tayo ditong abundance, positive mindset, manifest gratitude and bliss, blessings. Ooh, so lahat ng mga magagandang bagay, Pisces, andito, and it will happen in a sudden situation, sudden time, okay? Kasi meron tayo ditong shock, sudden change, shocking news, surprise and epiphany, transformation, Pisces, sinabi ko kanina. Okay, so, pwedeng feel ko parang pagkagising mo sa umagang ito, okay, or kung kailan mo to napanood, it's like parang alam mo yun, parang na-realize mo, ang gaan na. Okay, hindi na kagaya nung dati or nung nakaraan na parang ang bigat-bigat. Ngayon, parang magaan na, Pisces. Okay, pwedeng you are fully healed na. Okay, you are ready, as I said kanina. Okay, and you are blooming. You are getting better. You are something like, ang gaan ng reading natin yan, Pisces. And I'm so happy for you na you are ready to receive and to experience again this cute, happy love. Okay? Pwedeng sa love po ito. Kung sa career man ito, there's a big possibility of abundance. Getting an abundance. Getting a lot of, financial upgrade to this. Okay? And mangyayari to sa panahong hindi mo ine-expect or akala mo hindi na mangyayari. Okay? Biglaan siya. Shock, kumbaga. Okay? Transformation. And there's an interested in you, blooming romance, flirting, want to date. Meron tayo ditong date. Meron tayo ditong meeting and talking, savoring the moment, feeling elevated, building friendship, na merong magiging outcome ng unconditional love, giving and receiving, fairness and love, affection returned. Okay, so kung ano man yung hindi mo nakuha dati, na nasaktan ka, you become a better person, and ito na yung mga magagaang bagay, magagaang sitwasyon. I'm so happy, Pisces. You deserve to be happy. You deserve to be happy. Okay, so ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Saglit kunin natin tong si tarot card natin. Okay. Alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari. Saglit lang po, ha. Shuffle muna natin to. Ano pa po yung message nyo po for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Mga gabay, mensahe para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. 7 of Swords. Okay, looking at your back. Okay. It's like something na sige. Ano po ito? 7 of Swords. Clarification for this 7 of Swords po. Ano pa yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na ito? Mga gabay, mensahe para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. Wow. There's a new love, there's something na unconditional love. Ito yun, unconditional love. There's a big happiness, there's a big blessing, especially in a emotional aspect, Pisces. Magiging masaya ka. Ang importante dito, Pisces, is magiging masaya ka and you are ready. Okay? Kasi meron siyang dalawang meaning, Pisces. It's either you are still looking at your back, at your past, okay, dwelling the trauma from your past, pero napapansin ko dito, nasundan kasi siya ng happiness. So, ang dito is nakangiti siya, Pisces, habang tinatanggal itong swords na kumbaga para siyang nakatusok dito, tapos dahan-dahan niyan tinatanggal, dahan-dahan ka ng nakaka-move on. Parang ganun, okay? So, I'm so happy, Pisces, kung ganito na yung nararamdaman mo ngayon. You deserve to be happy po. Okay? So, kung ready ka na, you can go out there, meet another person. Ay, bakit ganito? Okay? 10 of Wands. Sige, ano pa po? Bakit po ganito? Ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Mga gabay, mensahe para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. Ano pa yung mga posibleng mangyari po for Pisces? You have learned a lot, Pisces. Meron kang natutunan sa mga bagay na napagdaanan mo, sa mga bagay na dinidil mo, Pisces. Okay, as I said kanina, pwedeng meron kang pinagdadaanan and you are not, doing something like, para siyang para siyang dala-dala mo talaga, Pisces. Okay, ramdam ko dito yung bigat, pero feel ko parang natapos na to and you have learned a lot. Na marami kang natutunan sa kung ano man yung lesson nito, sa kung ano man yung experience na ito. Ang daming mong natutunan, Pisces. Ang dami mong lesson na, kumbaga, natutunan sa buhay. Okay? And, you are ready. You are ready. You are happy. You are getting better. And, maybe, di ba, anytime soon, ready ka nang go out there and have fun and receive all these kind of blessings, all this kind of happiness na darating sa'yo, na nakalaan para sa'yo, na matatanggap mo in sudden time, hindi mo ina-expect, biglaan siya. Okay, so kung ano man yung nangyari, tanggalin mo na to, Pisces. Dahan-dahan mo na siyang tanggalin. Okay, accept the past and face the future with a smile. Okay, so you deserve to be happy, Pisces. You really deserve to be happy. Okay, so ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces? Ayan, eto, Pisces. Kung avid listener ka, alam mo na kung bakit pag lumalabas to, masaya ako. Okay, this is a celebration. This is a love. This is a happiness. It's like a abundance, happiness, love, enjoyment, celebration. Lahat na. Okay, nandito. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan, para siyang altar. Maraming prutas, maraming gulay, maraming mga kung ano-ano yung pwedeng, alam mo yun, it's pwedeng flowers, like, it's like an abundance, Pisces, okay? And marami tayo dito, may dalawa tayo ditong tao na parang nakahawak ng bouquet, okay? And sobra, ramdam mo dito yung saya, Pisces. You deserve this kind of situation in life. You really deserve this. And 2 of Pentacles, bottom of the deck is 2 of Pentacles. You have to protect yourself, okay? You have to protect yourself. Kung meron ka mang kailangang i-block na mga tao, gawin mo. Kung meron ka mang kailangang iwasan, gawin mo, Pisces, para alam mo yun, hindi mo na maalala kung ano man yung nangyari dati. And, as I said kanina, accept the fact kung ano man yung nangyari dati. And, yun, face the future with a smile. Okay? Tanggapin mo lahat ng mga blessing, yung mga nakalaan para sa iyo sa future mo. Okay? Huwag mong hayaan na ma-stuck ka doon, and for sure meron kang natututunan sa past mo, and take it as a lesson para mas maging maganda pa yung darating sa iyo. Kasi maganda yung nandito, Pisces. Okay? Meron lang a little bit of parang protectiveness on your side. As I said kanina, kung meron kang gustong i-block, bigyan ng boundaries, or hindi ka usapin or anything, gawin mo. Okay? Just to protect your peace. Okay? Para pong ganon. Okay? So, congratulations, Pisces. Sobrang ganda ng reading natin ngayon. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po yung mga konektado for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya ito. So, meron tayo ditong mapagbigay, abroad, letter E, kapatid, bahay, blonde, okay, past person. Okay, bakit may past person? Pwede nyo dealing with your past person, Pisces. Letter R, E, barko, and money. Ayan, no, money, abundance. Okay? So, pwede pong nandito, pwede pong wala. It's okay lang po. Okay? So, yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to. Naway nag-resonate po and naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay? So, thank you, Pisces, and God bless!